people come from all over the world to explore the Cayman Islands.
One of the most popular adventures takes place where local fishermen used to clean their catch in the North Sound of Grand Cayman. They'd throw their scraps into the water, and certain sea creatures got used to the free meal.
We're talking about stingrays, and not just a few, hundreds of stingrays.
Captain Adam Reese is taking us to that same shallow sandbar, which is now called Stingray City. Even today, just the sound of a boat motor is like ringing a dinner bell. I'm really pumped about getting in the water. Jack, not so much.
I'm a little nervous about this today. Most places we go, we're observing nature. But here, we're gonna be directly interacting with them. The ocean is already a big unknown for me. I'm not sure I wanna swim with stingrays, so.
Okay, so Stingray City. These are wild creatures. I mean, what should we know before hopping in the water?
When you hop into the water, just gently lower yourself in, swim out to them, and keep your feet on the ground when you're out, then just shuffle your feet.
The old stingray shuffle?
Do the stingray shuffle, yeah?
The rule of thumb is really make sure you're not stepping on them.
Southern stingrays grow more than 6 feet long, and their tails can be twice that, with venomous barbs at the end. They're bottom dwellers, and if they feel threatened or get stepped on, they can use their sharp tails as a weapon. It's usually not fatal, but the pain is intense.
Those barbs are there just to protect themselves, you know, and they use that as a last means of defense. You pose no threat to them whatsoever. All they want to do is come and play and say hi.
There are like 15 stingrays right below me. Some of these guys are huge. I'm talking like this big across. They're just flapping around. This is unreal. Stingrays are foragers and eat crustaceans and small fish. We've got one of their favorites, squid.
All right, so you put it like that in my hand?
Oh, whoa, a fish got it. Oh, woohoo! Oh, man. Turns out lots of creatures like to nibble on squid, so the stingrays have learned to move fast.
Wow! Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Oh, this is incredible. Whoa! 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 Whoa, that was nuts! Oh my gosh, was that crazy? He just, like a vacuum, sucked that right out of my hand. Oh, hi, buddy. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my gosh. These guys actually have teeth, and a lot of teeth, anywhere from 40 to 50. But when you're feeding them, they're not biting, they're sucking, and instantly that food is gone. Oh, they're so slimy. Oh my gosh. I know they do. Oh, a bird! Oh my God! A bird took it out of my hand! The moment that you get this calamar in your hand, these guys know it, and they come flocking and surround you, basically. They're not really good with their boundaries. No. Yeah, I mean,
They don't respect your bubble, let's put it that way.
No, they do not. They don't care.
It's a really weird feeling to have this creature come up with you. Stingrays can weigh more than 200 pounds. Sharks are one of their only natural predators because they're among the few creatures with the size to tackle them.
Oh man, wow, look at that.
We got quite a storm coming up.
Yeah, we do.
Might be time to pull anchor.
Yeah, and get out of here, yeah.
I've got to say, I loved the experience.
Feels like a giant petting zoo, but they are in fact wild creatures, which makes it just an incredibly special experience. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.